Hi, my name is Toya. I'm just on here trying to do my thing and whatever, but I want to give a shout out to my homeboy, Boss Bank. You know who you are, so this is for you, babe. I've had some good days. I've had some hills to climb. I've had some weary days. And some sleepless nights. But when I look around and I think things over, all of my good days outweigh my weary days. And I won't complain. Sometimes the clouds hang low. I can hardly see the road. I ask a question, Lord. Why so much pain? But He knows what's best for me. More than my weary eyes, they cannot see. So I'll just say, thank you, Lord. I'll just say, thank you, Lord. And I won't complain. You see, God's been good to me. Yes, He's been so good to me. So I'll just say, thank you, Lord. I'll just say, thank you, Lord. And I won't complain. You see, He dried all of my tears away. Turn my midnights into day.